Well, ordinarily, the former governor of the state, Dr. Ahmed, is supposed to be arraigned by the EFCC. So we're here to witness the commencement of the trial. So ordinarily, the court is an open place. It's not a secret trial. And let me emphasize, we have said over time that the former governor is not adverse to his being called upon to account for his stewardship as the governor of the state. But our concern is that the trial is transparent and open. Now, you cannot explain why the police and the court authority are denying, especially the journalists, from covering the event. That has been our concern all this one. Initially, it was held above the normal 48 hours as prescribed by the law. Up to now, nobody has explained to us without any court order to that. Now, he's been tried secretly. Nobody is there except his lawyer. So we don't know what will happen. So it's very unfortunate. This is Nigeria we are in.
What do you think will be responsible for this?
Well, like we have said, this is not fighting corruption. It's persecution. It's simple. It's political persecution. And we know those who are behind it. And they know themselves. But we know law of karma will take its course. Now you may be in authority. Tomorrow you will leave. Whatever you do will haunt you after you leave. It's simple. If you are trying for corruption, why deny people from witnessing the trial? So it's unfortunate. So we are calling on the authorities that this is not a secret court. It's not a secret court. The court is not a secret place. So people should be, at least the journalists should be allowed to cover the event.